Ta-da! This is what I made today. Want to see the magic behind it? Let's go on a fun little adventure, and I'll show you every step. Sprunki characters are playing hide and seek right here in this video. Did you catch them all? Drop your answer below. And who knows, maybe I'll call your name in the next video.